Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced tea creepy. First, select a very dark tea, such as a robust black tea, as your base. Brew it for at least 5 minutes or even longer to achieve an intensely dark, almost opaque color. For an even more unsettling hue, you can incorporate 1 or 2 drops of black food coloring. Remember to chill your tea completely before moving on to the next steps, ensuring a truly chilling beverage. Now, let's add some truly eerie visuals. For ghoulish eyeballs, simply stuff a single blueberry into the center of a peeled lychee fruit and float them in your tea. You can also drape a few gummy worms over the rim of the glass, or even float small plastic spiders on the surface. For a blood-curdling effect, slowly drizzle 1 or 2 teaspoons of raspberry or cherry syrup down the inside of your serving glass before pouring the tea. To truly elevate the creepiness, let's explore unsettling flavors. Infuse your tea with a sprig of fresh rosemary for an unexpected, earthy aroma. For a subtle, smoky undertone, add just 1 or 2 drops of liquid smoke to the entire pitcher. A few drops of gentian root extract can introduce a pleasantly bitter note, adding complexity. Finally, a 1/4 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger can provide a surprising, sharp kick that keeps your guests guessing. Finally, presentation is key to maximizing the creepy factor. Serve your concoction in mismatched, antique-style glasses to enhance the eerie aesthetic. For a truly dramatic effect, carefully add a small 1-inch piece of dry ice to the pitcher, creating a swirling, mysterious fog. Garnish each glass with a dark, twisted lemon peel or a few edible black flowers. And for a final touch, perch a small plastic spider on the rim of each glass, ensuring a memorable, chilling experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.